Do you have an error preventing the Le Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Access the official Le Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Le Library, a specialized language and engine, shim, often used in the context of the Windows management infrastructure or legacy linguistic services to manage unmanaged routines for character encoding and translation manifests across system-level data links. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The Le Library DLL module is a localized part of the Localized Application logic integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. If no luck was had with the Redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Le library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. A quick safety warning. Never download files like Le Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Le Library. If this fix repaired Le Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.